How to fix YouTube TV home area family sharing restrictions. To fix YouTube TV home area family sharing restrictions, you need to understand how the service works. YouTube TV is a live streaming service that allows users to watch live and on-demand TV from major broadcast and cable networks. One of the key features of YouTube TV is family sharing, which allows up to 6 accounts to share a subscription. However, there are some restrictions on family sharing, particularly when it comes to the home area. The home area is the location where you signed up for YouTube TV, and it is used to determine which local channels you can watch. If you try to watch YouTube TV outside of your home area, you may be restricted from watching certain channels or content. To fix home area family sharing restrictions, you need to make sure that all family members are located within the home area. First, you need to check the home area for your YouTube TV account. To do this, go to the YouTube TV website and sign in to your account. Click on the profile picture and select Settings. Scroll down to the Home Area section and click on Update Home Area. Here you can see the current home area for your account and update it if necessary. Next, you need to make sure that all family members are located within the home area. To do this, you need to have each family member sign in to their own YouTube TV account and update their home area to match the primary account. This will ensure that all family members can watch the same channels and content. If you are still having trouble with home area family sharing restrictions, you may need to reset your home area. To do this, go to the YouTube TV website and sign in to your account. Click on the profile picture and select Settings. Scroll down to the Home Area section and click on Reset Home Area. This will reset your home area to the location where you are currently signed in. It is also important to note that YouTube TV uses your IP address to determine your location. If you are using a VPN or proxy server, it may affect your ability to watch YouTube TV. To avoid any issues, make sure to disable any VPN or proxy servers when watching YouTube TV. In conclusion, fixing YouTube TV home area family sharing restrictions is a straightforward process. By checking and updating the home area for your account and ensuring that all family members are located within the home area, you can avoid any restrictions on family sharing. Remember to reset your home area if necessary and avoid using VPN or proxy servers to ensure uninterrupted access to YouTube TV.